Hi, this is Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today we're going to use this adorable pond life activity to support our 12 to 18 month olds with learning how to match picture to picture. You can download this straight from the Simplicity Happens website after you subscribe to my newsletter, which I give out over 20 free activities. And once you do that, there'll be another page where you can print out each of these images. And what I did to make it a little more fun was I bought this die from the dollar store, and I put rough-sided adhesive dots on each side, and then I put soft-sided adhesive dots on each picture item, and then I was able to attach each picture to the side of the dot, so you can roll it, throw it, or just have your child play with it and see which pictures they like. And they can also work on taking off and putting on, which is kind of fun. So off and on are concepts that we also learn when we're young and we're learning how to use language. So we can talk about, oh, you're taking the frog off. And then what's fun is your child can match the picture of the frog to the frog on the page. So if you're enjoying this, go ahead out to simplicityhappens.com, and when you subscribe, I'll send you an email with a fun little password that will give you access to this activity and many more. And stick around, I'll show you how my 15-month-old daughter has been using this at our house. And I hope you enjoy this. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me at greetings@simplicityhappens.com. And don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. Now, this activity does require adult supervision since it does include small pieces. Oh, match the butterfly. Butterfly goes up here. Match the frog. Good. Match the bumblebee. Good job. Match. Take off the fish. Match the fish. Good. Oh, that's the bumblebee. Are you taking off the bumblebee? Oh, are you putting it back on the block? Good job. You want to put them back on? You want to take off the turtle? Where's the turtle? Oh, could be. Oops. That's the butterfly. Where does the turtle go? Find the turtle. Good job. Here's the butterfly. Where does the butterfly go? Could be. The butterfly goes up here. Very good. And the bumblebee. Very nice. Found the froggy. Very nice. Take off the bird. Put on the birdie. Yeah, very good.